So here on our farm, we have a livestock guardian dog by the name of Toby. Toby's sole job is to watch over our ducks and geese and chickens. Oftentimes I wonder what the world looks like from Toby's perspective. And so today I'm gonna do a little experiment where I strap a camera onto Toby and see what he sees. Come here, Toby dog. Well, this is Toby. He's a special breed of dog known as the Maremma, or if you want to get fancy, the Maremma Abruzzese.
I use it up for my English.
Let's go, buddy. Let's go, buddy. Toby lives outdoors 24/7, 365 days a year. He likes living outside. He likes living with the ducks. He likes living with the geese. He's a great protector of the birds, and that's really his job here on the farm. I've tried this experiment before in the past and it's been a little bit of a failure. All right, come on, Toby, let's go for a little walk first.
All the people started getting sick and throwing up all over each other.
Everybody got really motion sick because I was just using a regular old GoPro. This time I'm using the GoPro Max, which I think has like the special 360-degree view, which helps with stabilization. Hopefully you guys won't puke by the end of this video. All right, Toby, come here. We're gonna get you strapped up here. All right. This one goes around your neck. This one goes around your chest. So we're gonna now turn on our fancy special camera here. Put it in 360-degree view. Okay, that should be working. I should be able to look all the way around 360 degrees. All right, now let's get it down to Toby. Whoop. Okay, buddy boy, you're live. Come along now. Come on, Toby. Let's go, Toby. You and me, we both have cameras. Come on. All right, let's go, Tobes. Walk around with me. So this is the awkward part of the video where I think you guys realize that the life of a livestock guardian dog isn't like crazy exciting. I mean, it's not like Toby's bored. I think he's actually really content. It's just that during the day, Toby spends most of his time sleeping, watching the animals, sitting out in the sun, going out into the shade. He does most of his predator defending and barking at night, which is really hard to capture in the video. So underneath the duck house is like Toby's favorite place to hang out. Most of the day during hot days, he will be there. Like if it's a cool day, he'll spend it out in the pasture, just lying around out by the animals. But if it's a hot day, he will hide under the shade of that house. I've actually even noticed that he's dug some holes in the floor and the ground underneath the duck house that are like these little cozy spots that he hides in. So this white chicken that you see here, Blanche, she is like Toby's best friend. Actually, both of our leghorns, Blanche and Dottie, like to hang out with Toby a lot. How's the great camera experiment going? Feeling okay? You feeling good? Yeah? Well, here. You're such a good boy. I'm going to give you your chewy bone. I sometimes give Toby these bones to help him with keeping his teeth clean. Stand back, buddy. Gross day of water.
fun hanging out with these ducks and geese, isn't it? All's good in the duck house? Okay, come on, Toby. I got a surprise for you. You can see here, right? See, Toby, these are all the good eggs. This one right here, this whole basket. These 4 are way too duck pooped for me to want to try to sell to people. So I'm going to give them to you. Okay, buddy boy? Come on. Careful there. Enjoy. Eat up, buddy. What are you looking at? What are you looking at, huh? Is this my phone? Hey, if you guys don't already, you should probably follow us on Instagram. We post pretty much daily updates on the farm. So if you're looking for like a regular Goldshot farm fix, it's a really good place to go. Whew, it's a hot one today, isn't it, Toby? You got plenty of water over there, bro. Yeah. Yeah. Toby, we're gonna get you running up. Yep.
I absolutely love hanging out with Toby out in the pasture. It makes me so happy to see him sort of just running and frolicking and playing and exploring. And yeah, he does mark his territory a lot out on the pasture.
I think this pasture is starting to look like it's ready for fresh birds. I'll probably move those geese and ducks from over there to over here this weekend. So. Show everybody something here, Toby. So right here is the spot where our second gate's gonna go. So our plan is to put up 2 different gates. We have one gate over by where the brooder house is, and then a second larger gate here. This is gonna be a 12-foot gate. You can see we were just using the post driver today to push in these posts. More work tomorrow to get this whole line done. But we're getting good progress here on the fence project. My guess is that by mid-September-ish, we should be done. What you looking around for? Anything good? Just marking your territory, I get it. Oh, Toby, look at what I found. Look at this. Look at this, Toby. What is that? What did we find here? What did we find here, Toby? As a cameraman, I'm going to need you to step back a little bit and give everybody a good shot so they can see. Here. Look, can you guys see this? 3 duck eggs. So the last couple of days I've had a khaki Campbell who keeps escaping. Bet you these are her eggs. Come on, buddy. Go back in. Come on. No, you can't go out, dude. Stay with your birds. I'll be back in a little bit, okay? Had a good time out here with everybody? All right, we gotta start getting everybody ready for bed. I can see a storm's coming too out in the clouds over there. Bringing the ducks in, Toby? All right. Come on, Toby dog, let's go. Gotta get everybody in. You can see the Parks and Recreation crews down by the pond. We got House Slytherin right over here. I don't know, maybe this storm's gonna blow past us. It's tough to tell. You can see clear on one side, some ominous clouds on the other. Still haven't come up with a name for my owl yet. How's it going, buddy boy? Uh-oh, I'm feeling a couple raindrops here. There you go. We got rain coming. I don't have time to be messing around. Come on, don't eat the carp. Here we go. You having fun eating the duck dookie? Or goose dookie? Wait, do you guys see this? I see somebody stalking in the bush over here. Is that a predator? Is it? Uh-oh. I see what I got on my hands. Do you guys see it? It's a vicious Pablo barn cat. What you doing there, Pops? Looking for rodents? Just don't stray too close to the woods there, bud. All my chickens accounted for? Both barred rocks. A Plymouth rock. Why do you guys all live in here? I don't get it. That nesting box is getting disgusting, and Blanche and Dottie aren't laying their eggs in there. I might have to do a whole video about my egg dilemma that I'm starting to have. And I know this egg dilemma is only going to get worse when I have to do this whole open pasture thing. Like, how am I going to get my ducks and geese and chickens all to lay in the right spot if I'm letting them totally free range? That's going to be a problem I have to solve. How you doing, buddy boy? Huh? How are you doing? Yeah. How are you liking that camera? I can tell I can tell Toby doesn't exactly love the camera. I think the harness is sort of not something he's used to. But it's okay. You're doing a good job. You know that? Yeah. You're a good pup. It's so nice and quiet right now. It's still. You can hear the storm off in the distance. Crickets, the murmurs of the birds, Toby drinking water. All right, Toby, let's go. We're gonna go get the Parks and Recreation crew and the ducks in bed. Let's go. Hey guys, how are you doing? You guys remain the bestest of friends. We got the 4 geese and Ron Swanson. All ducks, go to bed! All ducks, go to bed! All ducks, go to bed! Hey, don't go underneath there. Everybody go to bed. Come on. Come on. All ducks, go to bed! Come on, you two. All ducks, go to bed! Then always the Parks and Recreation crew is last. Come on, you jamokes. In you go. Follow Ron Swanson's lead. There we go. In. All right. You've done a very good job being a cameraman today. You have done a very, very good job. We're gonna let you off the hook for the rest of the night. I'm very proud of the work you've done here today. Most impressive. I hope you win an award.
You like me right now. You like me.
You did some really good work there, Toby dog. Now it's really starting to rain, so we got in just in time. Okay, what do you got in there? You got some beef cuttings. You got some egg. You got some potatoes. It's a good meal you got. I hope you guys have enjoyed hanging out with Toby and me here on the farm. If you're actually curious about Ron Swanson, that duck who thinks she's a goose, watch this video right here. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We try to put out 2 videos every week and tell you guys stories about building this farm here in Vermont.